Welcome to PAT Manufacturing Solutions. In this video, we present our automated whey filling systems designed for IQF and cold chain applications, including meat, seafood, sauces, and other temperature-sensitive products. We begin with the PLC control interface. Operators can monitor and adjust machine parameters in real time, ensuring precise performance across the entire packaging cycle. Next, we move to the automatic bag picking unit. This system handles pre-made pouches with accuracy, minimizing manual intervention and optimizing speed and consistency. Products are portioned using multi-head weighers or linear scales, depending on the required precision and production volume. Ideal for diced meat, frozen shrimp, or semi-liquid fillings. Once filled, pouches enter the vacuum chamber. This function removes air, enhances product preservation, and reduces package volume key for frozen and export-ready products. The vacuum seal is clean, reliable, and suitable for extended shelf life in cold storage. Our machines are built to support high hygiene standards and operate in chilled environments. PAT Manufacturing Solutions offers tailored automation for every stage of your production line. Whether you're upgrading a single process or planning a full-scale factory, we support your growth. To learn more or request specifications, contact us through our website or reach out via Instagram at Penesi. Thank you for watching.